Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to discuss the lesson 1-4, the graphs of proportional relationship. It means this time the table is given with the points and we have to make the graph and we will check is it proportional or not. So before discussing the questions, I want to show you how you will know that is it proportional or not. Number one thing, uh, you will make when you will make the graph, for example, this one is the graph, sorry for x and y. When you will make the graph, the first condition, if the line is a straight line like that, we called it a straight line. I know you guys will say that this one is not a straight line. Straight line means like the horizontal like this. No, but in math, if it's a straight line like that, first condition. Second, if it's passed through the origin, we call that the given uh, relationship is a proportional relationship. So you must have a straight line, okay. This is the number one condition, but with also the straight line must pass through the origin. If it's not passed through the origin means this point, the starting point 0, 0, then the graph will be, then the given relationship will be a proportional relationship. But for example, if you have another straight line that is starting from here, for example, say this one, if I draw a line here, this is also a straight line moving up, but it's not passing, this is straight line but it's not passing through the origin that is here 0 0 both values x and y 0 this one, even it's a straight line but it's not passing through the origin, so this one is not a proportional relationship. Or if you draw a line here, for example this one, even this is a straight line but it's not passed through the origin, so we are failed here. So if the question is that how you will know that it's the given is a proportional relationship or not, so it must be a straight line, must be a straight line. This is the main thing. And it must pass through the origin. Then we will say that the given relationship is a proportional. Otherwise, we will say it's not proportional, not a straight line, not pass through the origin. It's not a straight proportional relation. Okay, now let's move to the questions and we will solve some related questions of this one. Number one, the graphs of proportional relationship. The cost of pumpkin is shown. Everything, the word problem is written there. Then the table. We have the point. Let me directly move toward the lesson. The points are given. We will make them on the graph 0, 0. The number of pumpkins that are given along the x-axis. You can see here the pumpkins x. And this is y-axis. So first point is 0, 0. And if there is 0 pumpkin, the cost is 0. So I will make here a dot. 0, 0 mean both values are 0. That is here. This point we called its origin. Then 1, 4, and if there is one pumpkin, there are 4. The cost is 4. There is no 1 here. This is 0. So between 0 and 1, between 0 and 2, we have 1. This is 3. Let me write here. That is missing 7, 8, and this line is 9, and this one is 10. Same, it's better to write the points here to avoid any confusion. Between 0 and 4, 4, if we divide them in half, it is 2. Between 4 and 8, this line will denote for 6. This line will be for 8. Between 8 and 12, it's 10. And here we have 14. And this line is for 18. This line is for 10. If you will write this number, it will be better for you because this will avoid any confusion, any mistake. So 1 and 4, I have this one. I will move until 4 and I will make a dot here for 1 and 4. Then for 2, it's 8. And if there are 2 pumpkins, the cost is 8. I put my pen here on 2 and moving the same line until 8. This is the number 8. Then 3 and 12, I will start my pen from 3, moving out how many units? Sorry, 8. And where is 8? Done, sorry. 2 is 8, 3 is 12. So 3 for 12, 12 is here. Number 4 is 16. For 4, it's 16 here. Now you can see that this is a straight line. Let me draw the line here now. Uh, okay, you can draw the line, this one. I just draw from here, joining all the points. You can see Before explaining the lesson, I just talk about the proportional relationship. So you can see this line is passing through 0, 0. It means passing through the origin, and it's a straight line. So both conditions are satisfied. One, it's passing through the straight line. Even if one condition will fail, the given relationship is not proportional. So the number one is passing through the origin, and the passing through the origin, and it's a straight line. So the given relationship is a proportional. So you can say that the cost is proportional. The cost is proportional to the pumpkin number of pumpkins, both because the graph is a straight line through the origin. So I can simply write here, uh, it's proportional. It's proportional cause reason, because the the straight line passing through the origin. Okay, okay. This is the main thing. It's proportional because it's passing through the origin. Number two is the same. Number two, we will do the some things here. For example, number two is the same points are given, and first point is if there is zero temperature and Celsius is zero. Look at their number. Some numbers are missing. Between 0 and 4, number is 2. We don't have 1. Between 4 and 8, it's 6. I will first write the number so it will be easy for me. 10. This is 14. This is 18. Okay, then after 20, it will be 22. Okay, and same here, I will write if 0 and 20, if I divide them in half, it is 10. This number is, let me write here. This number will be between 20 and 40, it will be 30. This number 30, this one will be between 40 and 60, it will be 50. Okay, then between 60 and 80, it will be 70. It's better to write these points to avoid confusion. This is 90. And on the top, this is 100. Okay, now it will be easy for me to make the graph. Look here at the points that are given. Number one is 0 and 32. So if the value is 0 for degree Celsius, the temperature is 32. That is very close to 30 here. Okay, 0 and 32. Yani we start from 0 and we move until 32. 541. There is no 5 here. 5 is between 4 and 6. So I will draw my pen by putting between 4 and 6 up until I will move to 41, and 40 is here. So very close to the 40, that is 41, this one. Then after that it's 10, 50. So 10, yeah, this is a line for 10, moving my pen up, and 50 is here. After that we have 15 and 90. There is no 15. 15 is between 14 and 16, putting my pen between them, moving up, sorry. And 59 is here, very close to 60. This one, the point is very close. Then 22 and 68. Where is 22? This last point. That's why I was saying write all the points. Then it will be easy. I know the students will make the mistake if they will not write the points. So for 22, I will move up until 68. And 68 is very close to 70. This line is for 70, and it's very close to 70. Yes. Now I draw all the points. The last step is to just draw the line. And to draw the line, I'm drawing here, joining all the points. There is line. Now we discussed two conditions, that there should be two conditions if it's a proportional relation. Number one is straight line. Okay, and then passing through the origin. So you can see the line is passing through the origin. Okay, the number one condition is it's okay, straight line. Yeah, it's a straight line. Number through origin is here. This point is the origin, but the line is starting from above. So it's not passing through the origin. So one condition failed. We will say that they are not proportional. So just write here, not. The given relationship is not proportional relationship. No proportional or not proportional relationship. So you must need to check these two conditions and keep in mind the line must pass through, line must be a straight line passing through the origin. Origin means this point 0, 0. Yani both values of x be 0, sorry, x should be 0, y should be 0, then we say that it's a proportional relation. I hope you get it. And then moving towards question number 3 and 4. Question 3 and 4 already the graph is given, and now he will ask some other questions related to this one. The total cost of line streaming is proportional to the number of, he's already saying it's a proportional if you read it. It's a proportional relationship. Then what he's asking, what is the constant of proportional? He's saying it's a proportional, and we know that it's a straight line passing through the origin. All the conditions are already filled. And he's also saying it's proportional. So what he's asking, find the constant of proportional. How you will find constant of proportionality? We will divide y by x. And if I start from this dot, I know that here it's 1 and here it's 15 or whatever, I don't know. So it's better for me to, the points that are very clear for me. This point is very clear for me. It's the 2 and the values of y is 30. So I will divide 30 by 2. Okay. So if I divide 30 by 2, it will give me the values of constant of proportionality. K used for constant of proportional. If you divide, it will be 15. Okay. Or I can use any of the point, it will give me the constant of proportional. If I use this, so there is no, for sorry, for 6, this is for 4. If I move just my line for 4, the value is 60. If you divide 60 by 4, it will also give you 15. Even for this point, if x is 1, and what is the value of y here is 15, between 10 and 20. It will also give you 15. So the constant of proportionality is 15 in this case. You just need to divide them, y by x. K equal to, k is equal to y, the value of y over x. And you can find it, the constant of proportionality. We did this one in the next lessons, I think, how to write an equation and how to find the missing things. Now, the question is the cost per slice of pizza is proportional. He's saying it's proportional, and we also know that it's passing through the origin and it's a straight line, so it's simple. It's a proportional relationship. Then what we have to do if he's saying okay, this one is this and this, so basically, uh, he's asking for uh, the cost per pizza is proportional to the number of slices. What do the points 0, 0 and 1, 2 represent? 0, 0 mean the number of slices of pizza to the total cost. Okay, so uh, x is the number of slices of pizza, and y is the number of sorry, the total cost. So we want to compare them. Okay, we want to compare them, and we will say that okay, 0, 0. 0 means 0, 0 slides, 0 and 0 means, he's asking this point, 0, 0 mean from the graph, if there is no slices of pizza, the cost will be 0. Means 0 slices cost 0, $0. So you are not buying anything, it will cost you 0. Okay. And then he's asking for 1, 2. Yani x is 1, y is 2. Okay. X mean the number of slices of pizza. And if you will buy one slices, how much is the cost? I can see from this point. The price is 2. So I will write here that one slice cost means one slice cost how many dollars? 2 plus this one. Just you can write from there. And if you remember, you see some questions last time in the exams related to the given values, find it. And okay, thank you very much for the listening. If you have any question, please let me know. I will answer.